In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your organization branding in Zoho Invoice. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Invoice. Make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho account that you use for your business. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your invoices, estimates, and other financial details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right organization, especially if your account is connected to multiple businesses. Now, to access your branding options, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where Zoho Invoice keeps all the important configuration options, including taxes, users, templates, and of course, branding. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here, you'll see a list of different sections on the left-hand side. Look through this list until you find the option labeled Branding. Once you see it, click on Branding to open the branding customization area for your organization. Inside the branding section, you'll usually see your organization's name, along with any other brands you might have set up. From here, you can start tailoring how your invoices and related documents look to your clients. This is where you can typically upload your company logo, adjust colors to match your brand palette, and set up how your company name and details appear on invoices, estimates, and payment receipts. As you're customizing, it's a good idea to keep consistency in mind. Use the same logo and color scheme that you use on your website and other marketing materials, so your clients immediately recognize your brand. If Zoho Invoice provides a preview, make sure to check how your changes look before saving. This helps you avoid formatting issues or logos that appear too small or too large. Once you're happy with your branding choices, remember to save your changes. After saving, your updated branding will automatically apply to your future invoices and other documents generated in Zoho Invoice. And that's it. You've now navigated to Zoho Invoice, opened the settings, and accessed the branding section where you can customize how your organization appears to your clients.